Okay, number 3, the number of bacteria in a population P at time t hours is modeled by the equation P equals to AE to the power of KT, where A and K are constant. The graph ln P against T is shown in the diagram, has gradient 1/20th, and the intersects of the vertical axis at 0,3. State the value of K and find the value of A correct to 2SF. Okay, so again, this type of question we need to know the label of each axis. So we have ln P against T. Okay, so we take note of that. Ya, jadi before we do this kind of question, the exponential graph, make sure that we know the label on each axis. So we have the equation P equals to AE to the power of KT. So I just put ln P. Ln P equals to ln AE KT. Okay, so we get ln P equals to ln A plus ln E KT. Now, since ln E to the power of X is equals to X, so I just put ln P equals to ln A plus KT. Okay, now so this is one. Now we have the second one. Dia bilang gradientnya 1/20th. Okay, so if we see here, this is a straight line or linear line, so we can use the linear equation formula y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Okay, so the y1 would be 3, sorry. So y minus 3 equals to 1/20th times x, because the x is 0. So we got the second equation, y equals to 1/20th x plus 3. And since if we see here the y-axis is ln P, so I can just change this into ln P equals to 1/20, and the x-axis is t, so just put a t here plus 3. Yeah, so we got ln P equals to 1/20th t plus 3. Now, if we see our first equation, okay, this second one. So our first equation, ln P equals to okay, let's say KT plus ln A. Okay, so from here we rewrite the second equation. Okay, so if we see here, yeah, the one that has a variable t has a constant or coefficient of 1/20th. So we can safely say that the k is 1/20. So kita cuma samain ya, jadi it's not something complicated. We just see which one have the variable of t. Then on the left hand side, the k have a variable of t. On the right hand side, we have 1/20th. They have variable of t. So we can say that the k is 1/20th. Okay. Now for the other variable is the other constant is ln A. Yeah, so this is the first one. Ln A equals to 3. So A equals to e to the power of 3. Yeah, e to the power of 3, that is 20. Okay, so we have the second one. A equals to 20 because dia mau correct to 2SF. Okay. Yeah, so that is A. The k is 1/20th and the A is 20. Then for the B, find the time taken for P to double. Okay, give your answer correct to the nearest hour. Okay, first of all, we need to see at the beginning the ln p is 3. So we need to first know the value of p, not ln p again. Yeah, so this is very important. Ln p is 3. So p equals to e to the power of 3. Okay, so the p2 that we are looking for is 2 times the original value. Okay, so what is the time needed to get into this? Okay, yeah. So again, we just input to the original equation ln p equals to 1 over 20 t plus 3. So ln 2e cubed. Yeah, ln 2e cubed, yeah, equals to 1 over 20t plus 3. Okay, so we have ln 2 plus ln e cubed, that is equals to 1 over 20t plus 3. Now we have ln 2 plus 3 equals to 1 over 20t plus 3, so the 3 we cancel. So the final time we get is 13.86 hours. So if we round up to the nearest hours, it will become 14 hours. That is the answer for B. So the time is 14 hours. Okay, so let me repeat. Okay, so for the beginning, for the A, sorry, yeah, we have ln P equals to ln AEKT. Okay, so we exponentiate both sides, then we get the first equation, and because this is a straight line, we can use the equation line y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, and we input the original coordinate 0, 3 into the so-called equation, and then also we have to input the gradient. Once we get that, we have the second equation, ln p equals to 1 over 20t plus 3. Now, because both of them are ln p, we can safely assume that the k is 1 over 20 and the ln a is 3. Okay, so that's how you get the the k1 20th and the a equals to 20. For the second one, first we have to find the original value of p, which is e cubed, and we input that to the original equation ln p. Okay, then we solve that, and the final answer is 13.86 hours. When we round up, it will become 14 hours. That is it for number 3B.